Hello, students, and welcome to another episode of Math is Fun. And today we are coming up once again with the new trick that will be super useful to you. Now, I've been watching my previous videos regularly, so we are currently working on squaring of numbers. But we were doing like numbers that end with 5, numbers that end with 1 or 6, or even those numbers which are more than the base or closer or less than the base, right? So that means there was a certain limitation or the trick was specific to specific numbers. But now let's do something more wider applicability, right? So today we'll be doing squaring of numbers of two digits. So that means any two digits. Okay, so let's get started. So here it is. So the title is already there, squaring of two-digit numbers. So any number from 10 to 99, it will be covered in this step. So isn't it interesting? And of course, in the future videos, gradually I'll be teaching you 3, 4, 5, and so on, right? And so you can actually learn them. So why I'm doing it only two-digit number? Because I'm giving you time to master every trick, right? So we are trying to move slow and steady. Now, for this trick, we need to know something additionally, and that we call duplex of numbers, right? So how to find a duplex? Let's say if we have, let me write it here, duplex, and let us designate it by a capital D. Now we can find duplex of single digit number, two digit number, three digit number, and so on. And gradually I'll be teaching you. But today, because we are only doing two digit numbers, so I'll teach you how to find duplex of a single digit and a two digit number, right? So let's say talking about a single digit number. So now that is super easy because for let's say a single digit number is 7. So if you do the square of 7, so that is 49. Now that will be the duplex of a single digit 7, right? So that means if I do find for 4, so I can simply write 16 because I'm doing nothing but squaring the number. Now, that is a duplex of a single digit number. Now, if I talk about a two digit number, for example, on top, I have written 23. So, if I have to find the duplex of 23, I will simply say twice of 2 multiply by 3. So that means 2, 3, the 6 into 2, 12. So that means in a two-digit number, you have to multiply the two digits and then double it. And you will get the duplex of a two-digit number. So I repeat, for a single-digit number, the duplex is the square of that number. And in case of two-digit number, it is twice the product of the two numbers. So I hope you have got that. So now let's move on to the questions. Right? Just let me erase it so that we have space for calculation. Okay. Now, let's begin with 23. Now, what we do on the right hand side, 3 is there. So the right hand side number is 3. So we have to find the duplex of a single digit. So that becomes 9. Got it? Okay. Now, the middle number. That is, find the duplex of 23. So I told you the product of the numbers and then doubling it. So 2, 3, the 6, to the 12. So 2, and let me take 1 as the carry of forward number. And then I have as a last digit number 2. So I'm squaring it, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. So my final answer is 529. Got it? Let's do for 67 square. Once again, on the rightmost, we have 7, and single digit duplex will be 49 because I'll be squaring it. So I wrote 9, and then for 4, I'm writing as a carry forward. Then I'll be multiplying. So for the middle number, so 7 6 the 42, doubling it 84, and 84 plus 4, 88. So I wrote 8 here, and then once again 8 as the carry forward number. Then I have 6. I'll square it. It will become 36, and 36 plus 8 is 44. And hence, we have the answer as 4, 4, 8, 9. Got it? So let's do one last question. We have 73. I found the square of 3. That becomes 9. Then I multiplied 7 and 3. 7, 3, the 21. 21 to the 42. So 42, 2 comes here, and 4 as the carry forward number. Then 7 square is 49, and 49 plus 4 is 53. So that means my final answer is 5, 3, 2, and 9. So was it that simple? Let me just explain it to you again. First of all, we take the units place number, that is the rightmost number. I'm just explaining for 73 because the trick remains the same for all the questions. So I think only one number will suffice. So 3 square is 9. Then I'll find the duplex of two numbers, that is 7 into 3, 21, and I'll double it. So 21 into 2, it becomes 42. I write 2 and 4 as the carry forward. Then I'll take this 7, and because it's a single digit, I'll square it. 7 square is 49, and then I'll add the carry forward number and I'll get 53. So 5329 is my final answer, right? So I hope you have understood. Let's move on to our main screen. So, kids, this was squaring of any two-digit number. So now you don't need to take care of if the number is ending with 1 or 6 or 5, whatever it is. But yes, if you have mastered those tricks, they also make your calculation pretty easier. But yes, this is more dynamic, a single trick for number 10 to 19. And of course, in the future videos, I'll be teaching you 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers and so on. So I hope you like this trick. And as always, I ask you to please share the video with other students so that they also get benefited. And for you, keep on practicing. The more you practice, the better will be for you. So till tomorrow, bye-bye. Take care.